Royal Caribbean will enhance guest experiences on Ovation, Harmony, and Liberty of the Seas in 2026. Cruise Insider reports that Royal Caribbean is tripling the adventure in 2026 with 3 newly enhanced vacations on Ovation, Harmony, and Liberty of the Seas. These beloved ships will be reimagined with bold new experiences while sailing to breathtaking destinations across Alaska, Europe, and the Caribbean. Guests can embark on enhanced adventures starting spring 2026. Royal Caribbean continues to raise the bar by delivering exceptional vacations with revolutionary ships and top-rated exclusive destinations. Following the tremendous success and guest satisfaction with Allure of the Seas, Royal Caribbean is thrilled to bring 3 new amplifications to its fleet in 2026. The enhanced ships will combine new thrills with laid-back chill, elevated dining and drinking experiences, enhanced nightlife, and expanded accommodation options. Families and adventurers will be able to create unforgettable memories through an array of unique experiences. Travelers will discover enhanced experiences throughout Ovation of the Seas, featuring a revamped pool deck with private casitas and a new whirlpool. The culinary journey spans global flavors, from authentic Tuscan dishes at Giovanni's Italian kitchen to masterful hibachi at Izumi teppanyaki. Evening entertainment flourishes with tropical cocktails at the pesky Parrot Tiki Bar, making its Quantum Class debut, dancing at the brand-new Sound Cellar, and expanded gaming at Casino Royale. New accommodation options, including the Ultimate Family Suite and Panoramic Suite, complement beloved Quantum Class features like the Ripcord by Ifly Skydiving Simulator and Seaplex, the largest indoor activity space at sea. Ovation elevates adventure both at sea and on land with Alaska expeditions. Moreover, Ovation pioneers the Quantum Class fleet in offering immersive land-based experiences through multi-night cruise tour adventures. Harmony of the Seas welcomes travelers with a new Caribbean-inspired pool deck, featuring refreshing drinks at the lime and coconut. Food enthusiasts can explore over 20 dining venues, including Playmaker Sports Bar and Arcade for classic game day fare. El Loco Fresh for vibrant Mexican cuisine. This Oasis-class ship will call Port Canaveral, Florida home. From winter 2026, travelers can explore the Caribbean. The journey includes visits to the award-winning Perfect Day at CocoCay in the Bahamas, where visitors can purchase passes to the all-inclusive Royal Beach Club Paradise Island, opening December 2025. Families will discover reimagined experiences across all age groups on Liberty of the Seas, featuring a completely redesigned pool deck with the lime and coconut and new casitas, plus an all-new Royal Escape Room concept. Dining options span global cuisines, from Japanese specialties and hibachi at Izumi teppanyaki to Mexican favorites at El Loco Fresh, plus a new Starbucks. These additions complement returning favorites like the Perfect Storm water slides, signature restaurants, and spectacular entertainment. During summer 2026, Liberty will sail from Southampton. Offering 7-night European adventures, Liberty relocates to Galveston, Texas, offering Western Caribbean explorations. Building on the success of the newly transformed Allure of the Seas, these 3 enhanced ships represent the latest evolution of Royal Caribbean's award-winning fleet through the Royal Amplified program, launched in 2018, and 4 more vessels under construction. The cruise line's destination portfolio will expand over the next 3 years with 4 exclusive experiences, including the anticipated Perfect Day Mexico in fall 2027. The expansion includes Royal Caribbean's new Royal Beach Clubs in Paradise Island, the Bahamas, and Cozumel, Mexico, alongside exclusive beach destinations in Labadee, Haiti, and Lelepa in the South Pacific, offering more opportunities for paradise getaways. We invite you to like this video and subscribe to stay updated with all the latest cruise industry news.